First off, Apple. For Black Friday, Apple doesn't really do first-party discounts. Like, you're not going to find an iPhone for a couple $100 cheaper than it normally would be, but they do give you gift cards if you buy a device. So if you buy like a MacBook, for example, you get a gift card, an iPad, you get a gift card. The value of the gift card does depend on which device you buy. Here's a full list, and I'll also have this list in the description and the comments below. Now, unfortunately, I don't think you can use the gift card to pay for the device itself. You can only use it on future purchases. So this is a great option if you want to buy AppleCare or something for that device, or like AirPods or something. And unfortunately, you cannot stack this deal with the student discount, and it is also not available on the Apple Refurbished site. A lot of third-party vendors are also selling computers and tablets with decent discounts. For example, Staples has discounts for the MacBook Air M4 and also the iPad. You're getting about $100 to a few $100 knocked off the price for these devices, so that's a pretty decent deal. Just make sure you're buying from reputable vendors, and generally stay away from refurbished devices. Unless it's from Apple, although the Apple Refurbished store isn't participating in Black Friday, there's not really any deals there. But if you ever are gonna buy a refurbished Apple device, then I would only recommend buying them directly from Apple, because otherwise it's kind of a mixed bag. Speaking of Apple devices, today's sponsor MOFT is running a Black Friday sale where you can get up to $50 off of their products. I've personally been using a few of their products for the past few months for my iPhone and my iPad, but today I'll be talking about the two that I like to use on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this right here is the MOFT Snap MOVAS case, and it's got a very nice and clean design, very nice and minimal, and it's made out of MOFT's MOVAS material, which is a vegan leather that feels nice and premium, but is also sustainable. It feels very similar to leather, except it's not a dead cow. And the overall texture of this case is really nice and comfortable to hold. It's also quite slim, so it doesn't feel too bulky when I put it in my pocket and stuff. The buttons are also really nice too. They feel like metal, although I'm not sure if they are metal, but they're color matched to the case and they're nice and tactile. The camera control button on this case is also really nice too. There's no like weird cutout or anything. It's an actual proper covered button. The case also has some really strong MagSafe magnets, which makes it really useful for attaching MagSafe accessories like power banks, wallets like this one I'll talk about in a bit. And the case also comes in a bunch of different color options. I think there's 7 in total. This one right here is the blue case, or sapphire, but there's a bunch of beautiful colors you can find in places like MOFT's website or on Amazon. Then there's also this thing right here, the MOFT Invisible Tripod Wallet. This is probably one of my favorite iPhone accessories of 2025 just because of how versatile it is. It's a wallet that can also fold out to be a tripod camera stand thing, or can be used as a phone stand as well. There's also a bunch of other neat little modes that you can try out, like using this stand as a mini selfie stick. MOFT recently updated this so it can fit up to 2 cards. I like to keep my student card and my driver's license inside, and it also supports NFC through the wallet. So if you have like a transit card or something, you can tap that by just tapping it. I like this MagSafe thingy particularly for the tripod. It's a super convenient little camera stand that I can carry discreetly and use at a moment's notice. I can just unfold it in seconds, and then I'm ready to use it. And this one comes in a couple of colors as well, so you can pick which one you like. If you want to check these out, I have the link in the description and the comments below. Next up, if you've watched any of my videos in the past few months, you might have noticed this ring right here. This is the Ultrahuman Ring AIR, and I've been using it to track my sleep and my health for the past few months. It also tracks stuff like your steps, your temperature, your active hours, your heart rate, and all of that fun stuff, and it consolidates the data into an app. And this app is where all of the ring data gets consolidated and distilled and interpreted and given to you. And through this app, I can see, like, for example, my steps, or how cooked my sleep schedule is. It's not been great. But yeah, if you're looking to get a smart ring, you can get 30% off with my discount code on the screen right here. I'll also have it in the description and the comments below. If you do get this ring, just be sure to get the sizing kit first, because Ultrahuman has their own proprietary sizing. So if you buy the ring, they'll send over a free sizing kit first. You can determine your size, and then you tell that size to Ultrahuman, and then they give you the ring in your size. Next up, probably my favorite deal of the year, Bambu Lab Black Friday deals. So I'm about to do a lot of Bambu glazing, so I should make it clear that I'm not sponsored by Bambu. I actually did try reaching out to Bambu, but they didn't respond, so I ended up just buying my own printer. I'm pointing in this direction because my printer is set up on the floor. But yeah, if you're thinking about getting a 3D printer, Bambu Lab has deals on pretty much everything in their store, from filament to printers. I personally picked up the Bambu Lab A1 combo, so this is their recommended beginner 3D printer, as well as their AMS, the automatic material system, which lets you print things in multicolor, and it's a great way to manage multiple types of filament. And I did have a 3D printer before this, but this new Bambu Lab, it just works. There's a smartphone app where you can find whatever design you want and you can send it straight to your printer wirelessly. You don't even have to be in the same place as your printer. Like, I can be at school and I'll be like, wait a minute, I kind of want to print XYZ out. So then I can find a file of XYZ and then print that right on the printer, and then by the time I come home, it'll be ready for me to use. And I like designing and printing my own stuff as well. So I can design something on this here PC, and then I can send it to my printer wirelessly, bada bing, bada boom, it prints something out. It's really awesome and it just works. I don't think I've had any major issues with this printer just yet. There was one time where I was 3D printing some shelves and they got knocked over when the print was almost done, but it wasn't a big deal. The shelves just ended up being a little shorter than expected. I've used it to print out like this iPad stand right over here. This sonic screwdriver holder is something I designed myself and I 3D printed it all within like an hour or so. I 3D printed a catch-all tray, I 3D printed a paper towel roll holder, and all of it is just really awesome. So if you've been thinking about getting a 3D printer, then Bambu Lab has a really big sale going on right now. This is probably the best time of the year to get a Bambu Lab 3D printer. Last but not least, NuPhy. This guy. This is my current keyboard, the NuPhy Air75 V3. It's a really nice and comfortable keyboard, and I just love the design of this keyboard as well. It matches the overall aesthetic of Apple quite well. This one specifically has the red nano switches. Sounds really nice. It's got all sorts of different RGB patterns, got lights on the side here as well. It's got a nice aluminum frame as well with this really cool clear plastic design on the bottom. There's also this shiny nameplate that looks really nice when I don't have my grubby fingerprints on it. It's got 2 different stand modes as well, and you can connect it using Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz, and also with a wire. Right now, NuPhy has a deal for the Air75 V3, this keyboard right over here, $20 off by using the discount code DEAL20. However, older versions of the keyboard are also available with discounts as well on their website. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you find a useful deal or two for this year's Black Friday. I'll leave links to some of the products below in case you want to find the deals directly. Some of those links will be affiliate links, which, full disclaimer, will give me some money in the form of a commission at no extra cost to you. So take that information as you will. But it's totally up to you though. Ultimately, this video is more about informing you about some deals rather than convincing you to buy something. Like, please don't buy that shiny piece of tech just because it's on sale if you won't have money left over for food. I don't want to profit off of that. A general rule of thumb is only buy things when you were already considering buying it in the first place, regardless of whether or not it would be on sale. If you buy something that's 50% off just because it's on sale, you didn't save 50%, you still spent money that you wouldn't have spent if it wasn't on sale. So yeah, only buy what you need, which, to be fair, is easier said than done. I've made my fair share of unwise financial choices. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Be awesome and stay techie. Bye! I have an Apple Watch that also tracks my sleep schedule, but this one actually like yells at you. No, I'm kidding. Get rid of that part. This is the NuPhy Air75 V3. This is my current keyboard. I'm in love with it. I'm not in love with it, but like, wow, it's like in sync. Almost done. But it wasn't a big deal. The shelves just ended up being a little silly. I used it to print out like this iPad stand right over here.